I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by entering the match lobby and opening the team editor. Make sure substitute slots are visible. Select the players you want as primary starters, then pick 1-4 substitutes based on contest rules and remaining credits. You do this because substitutes automatically replace unavailable or late players, protecting points. Once done, confirm that each substitute is from the same role, batter, bowler, all-rounder as needed. This prevents ineligible replacements and keeps your strategy intact. Once your initial substitutes are set, actively monitor playing Roman 11 and last-minute updates. You need to swap if a starter is dropped or rested. Use the swap controls to promote a substitute into the starting Roman 11 before the contest locks, and consider credit cost to maintain balance. You do this because timely swaps capture opportunity gaps, opponent weakness, or favorable pitch rolls. Make sure to weigh form and matchups, then lock the revised lineup right away to avoid missed automatic replacements. Finalize your team ahead of lock time and understand that auto-sub rules apply only after the match locks. This is why last checks matter. If a substitution doesn't occur as expected, first review contest rules and your transaction history to see why it was blocked. If the problem persists, take a screenshot of the lineup, error messages, and timestamps, then contact Dream11 support promptly. This helps resolve credits, eligibility, or timing issues and restores your expected lineup or contest credit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.